Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Nima Nambe and you are welcome to the family. Today I'm going to show you how I made this delicious Gizdodo. So let's get right into the video. First, I begin by thoroughly washing the gizzard and removing the yellow stomach lining. I'm washing the gizzard with salt. You can as well wash with vinegar if you have some. I do so because you don't want to enjoy your Gizdodo and later have a running stomach. So gently remove the stomach lining, which is any yellow patch or lining you see on the gizzard. So I do same to the rest of the gizzard and wash for the second and third time. So here I will season my gizzard with some rosemary, salt, half seasoning cube, black pepper, curry powder, and blended onion and garlic. I go ahead to mix this together, then put on medium heat and allow to cook in its own juices for about 10 minutes before adding water. So after adding water, I let it cook for an extra 30 minutes or until it is nice and tender. The next step here is to prepare my dodo, that is the plantain. I'm using 4 ripe plantain which I have washed already, so I will just go ahead to peel it and cut into cubes. Remember to use ripe plantain and not overripe, because you don't want your plantain to melt whilst frying. Guys, I love plantain so much. There is another recipe which I will be loading very soon, which is plantain frittata, so please watch out for it. It's been 35 minutes now. Let's check our gizzards. Whoa, our gizzard is well cooked now, so I will just take it out and let it rest before frying. So as the gizzard is resting, I'll go ahead to fry our plantain cubes on medium heat. Continue to turn this in order to prevent it from burning. So as I'm frying the plantain, I'm cutting the gizzard into halves at the same time. You need to cut this into chewable size in order to aid mastication. As you can see, our plantain is well fried, golden brown, which indicate that it is well fried. So I'll just take it out and let it rest. I'll do same frying to the gizzard and move to the next step of this recipe, which is preparing the stew base. So the next step is to go ahead to blend some onion, fresh tomatoes, garlic and ginger together. In a cooking pan on medium heat, I'm adding some of the oil used in frying the plantain and gizzard, and as soon as it is hot, I added some diced onions and garlic. Let it saute for a minute before adding the blended tomato mix. So I just let this cook for a minute before seasoning with some rosemary, black pepper, salt and half seasoning cube. Gently stir this and let it cook for an extra 7 minutes. This is how your stew base should look like before adding your plantain and gizzard, as well as your veggies. Guys, if you are new on my channel, consider subscribing for more interesting videos. To my returning viewers, you guys, I love you so much, guys. Continue supporting me, okay? So here, gently stir everything together and let the stew enter the plantain and gizzard, okay? So now I'm just adding some red and green bell peppers to garnish it. Gizdodo is ready. This is mostly served as a side dish to plain rice or jollof. Guys, thanks for watching. Please like this video, comment, and then share this video. It goes a long way to help my channel. Bye.